Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a Memoji on the iPhone 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Messages app on your iPhone and open a message or create a new one. Now, on the line of actions at the bottom of the screen, you need to tap on the framed face icon. Now swipe to the right and tap on the plus New Emoji option. You will see that the Memoji will imitate what you do. So when you smile, turn your head, talk or stick out your tongue, it will do too. There are many editing options here. Choose your skin color. You can slide the bar to change the tone of the color. Scroll down and you can choose whether you want freckles or not and how blushed you would like your cheeks to be and what color. Again, you have the slider to change the tone of color. You can use this on all the color options. Below that, we have a beauty spot option. Now at the top of the page, you can tap on the hairstyle section. You can pick a color and a style. There are a lot of styles to choose from. Tap on the next section, Brows. You can choose whatever brow shape you would like. Below brows, you can add a forehead mark and brow piercings. Now in the next section, Eyes. You can choose your eye shape and color at the top. Scroll down and you can choose your eyelashes. Below that, you can choose your eyeliner color and shape, and then your eyeshadow. Now on to the next section, Head. You can choose your face's age and shape. On the next section, you can choose your nose shape and whether you have a piercing or not and its color. Now on to Mouth. You can choose your mouth shape and color. After that, you can choose what teeth you would like to have. Below that, there are various mouth piercings to choose from, and also a tongue piercing option. Ears are next. You can choose the size of your ears and then you can choose earrings, and the color of them too. Below earrings, you can choose to have earbuds in if you like. Next is facial hair. You can choose to have sideburns and choose from a large variety of beard options. Eyewear is the next category. You can choose a color and then choose from an array of glasses. At the bottom, you even have the option of an eye patch. Headgear is the next thing to choose from. You have many hats and some religious headgear also, as well as face coverings at the bottom of the page. You can customize the color of all of them. And that's it, all of the many options you can choose from. Tap Done when you are happy with your Memoji. You can now record a message with your voice and the Memoji animation. Tap the red record button in the right corner and say whatever you would like. Tap the same button to stop recording. If you are happy with your recording, then tap the blue up arrow on the right. If not, you can tap the delete button on the left. You can replay your message in the top left above delete. When you tap send, your Memoji animation will be sent as a text. You can follow the steps again to create different Memojis if you like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone 12 tips and tricks.